Yo, what's up, guys? This is me, Santosh. Just kidding.
Anyways, don't mind my setup. So this is a 60Hz monitor. Before, now, just have overclocked it to. Just wait a second. Let's just search for resolution. So you can see this is an 1600 into 900p monitor. If I go to advanced display settings, so I would get an option of 76 Hz. And it's smooth.
Yeah, boy.
No, I should not be like this.
I am the king, I am the chief, I am the leader that's fighting for peace. You see the squad, I got the keys. There is no surrender, we will not leave. So when I'm calling, they rally the troops. We have defeated some down in your groups. You got
Yes, today I just woke up in the morning. I was drinking tea while I figured out something. But I'm pretty sure that this is very old tech, you know? It is just about overclocking our monitor. Yes. So just you know what I mean by overclocking your CPU or your GPU or your RAM. But overclocking your monitor is totally different story. Also, it makes your monitor smooth, but only if your monitor supports it. So that's the problem right here. But I'll show you every possible way for overclocking your monitor. And I made it today morning. I just woke up and I was just surfing in the net, and I found that we can overclock our monitor to higher refresh rate. So if you know what is meant by a refresh rate, it is how much frames per second our monitor refreshes. Or I just increased it from a 60 Hz monitor to 76. That's basically potentially the maximum. What to say, the potential maximum of my monitor. But if it is 80 Hz for your monitor, it would be much better and give you a much smoother experience.
Yeah, boy.
So let's go into it. So back again, I'm going to say you another thing. We are going to segregate this video into two parts. So the first one is for the computer user using a discrete NVIDIA GPU or maybe any NVIDIA graphics card. Maybe not even a graphics card, maybe a display card, right? So it would support it. But if you have NVIDIA control panel, and it's a software which is basically inbuilt in most of the computers having NVIDIA graphics card.
You need to open NVIDIA control panel, which is located at the bottom right of your screen. When you expand the show hidden apps icon, then you need to go to the change resolution panel located at the tabs column in the application. Then you would see a bunch of resolution presets which are supported by your monitor. Then you need to click on customize. Then you have to create a custom resolution as shown. Set your desired horizontal and vertical pixels, but don't go too much higher as it won't be supported by the app, or you might be able to see all the icons in an extremely small size. Set the refresh rate. Now here comes the main part of the video. I give you a tip. And try to adjust the refresh rate by a unit of 1, that is 1 Hz, because directly going to a higher refresh rate which is not supported by your monitor would result in a black screen of your monitor showing that this refresh rate is not supported. After you reach the maximum potential refresh rate of your monitor, you can click on S to save that particular custom resolution. Then in the change resolution menu or even in the display settings of Windows 10 or 11, you would see the new custom resolution option. Open advanced settings to change the refresh rate of your monitor too. Also, in order to override your display preferences in any games and applications, you need to click on adjust desktop size and position. And make sure to check these options as I did.
The next part is going to be for the AMD user.
First, you need to download a software called Custom Resolution Utility from the internet as shown. This is a package which comes as a zip file. So make sure to have 7-zip or WinRAR application in your PC so that you can explore it without extracting it. In my case, I'm just extracting the files in order for the sake of clarification. And after you have extracted the zip file, you need to run cru.exe application. And all the applications in this CRU tool will ask for administrator permission. So just click on accept for as you run applications. And as you can see, a window will pop up showing all the options. And you could not see that many detailed resolutions if you are using custom resolution utility for the first time in your PC. And that's because I just created a lot of resolutions before recording this video. The standard resolution means it would not go out of the software limit of your display. That is, it will support only till the recommended resolution of your display monitor or display or monitor. It will not support as a resolution option if you choose a higher number of pixels than your monitor's pixels. You can set a resolution which is lower than your monitor resolution. But it is not the case with the detailed resolution, as you can enter any resolution for the monitor until your GPU does not crash or it is not a whole number pixel. So here I am setting a resolution of 3840x2160, which is a 4K resolution basically. And in the frequency menu, you could see the options for the refresh rate of the monitor. There are also some advanced options which you can check out, but it is out of scope for this video. So as I said before, I recommend you to try adjusting the refresh rate by a unit of 1. So in my case, the maximum proper refresh rate for my monitor is just 61 Hz, because as you can see, if I go beyond this, say 65 Hz for example, it shows some glitchy pattern and it is not smooth, as I could see some screen tearing and frame skipping. After you got the perfect setup for a monitor, you can click on OK and save it. After that, you need to run restart64 or restart.exe for restarting your display drivers. And for resetting all the settings you have made till now, in case if you have made messed up, you can run resetall.exe here, like this. Guys, another thing is this custom resolution utility could be used for both AMD graphics card, integrated AMD GPU, as well as for Intel integrated GPU. Till now it's Intel integrated, but maybe in the future it could be a discrete too. So make sure to like this video, because this video is over, the content is over, because if you are using an Intel graphics card or an AMD graphics card, you are going to install that custom resolution utility and gonna use it, right?
So that's fine. Even if you have Intel graphics, integrated graphics, it will work with overclocking your monitor, but only it depends upon your inclinations of your monitor. And if you like this video, please like, share, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button right here. Thank you.